Hi guys, today I'm gonna make peshawari food. So Peshawar is famous for food. We'll have a small tour for Peshawar today. So in my kitchen. So let's get started. So we have chicken 250 grams, boiled tomatoes. So you can boil it for 3 minutes and you peel off the skins out. And we have red chili, kasturi methi, ginger garlic paste, yogurt, and we have sliced the onion 1/4 of it, and we have ginger, we have black pepper, we have cinnamon powder, and we have coriander powder. So we're gonna add oil, a lot of oil in this. So we're gonna put chicken in this. We fry this for say till it becomes a little brown. And onions. Onions is again optional. So it's like if you want to add onions, you can add, and a little bit of salt. Give a good mix. So we're going to keep this in medium flame and cook. The Peshawar is always good for food. So we in India not travel to Peshawar, so we are traveling at my kitchen to Peshawar. So please do eat food from home because we have corona cases a lot. And plus, yeah, we have in homemade food, we do take care of sanitize and our safety precautions, and we do cook well with all these precautions. So you can order from homemade food anytime. So we are located in Bangalore, and anytime you feel like healthy food with good herbs, with organic ingredients, so we cook food. So you can try at home, and we're going to come up with masalas. So inshallah we'll do it very soon. Yeah. So now we're going to add ginger garlic paste. So what we did was, in ginger garlic paste we add little water so that it mixes very well, and just in this. So we're gonna let this boil for say 3-4 minutes or 5 minutes max. So we're gonna boil this till the raw smell goes away. So cook till the water dries up, and then we're gonna add our tomatoes. So now it's properly cooked. So we're gonna add tomatoes in this. So you have two options adding tomatoes. You can boil it with this, or you can boil it separately and remove the skin, take the skins out and add it in this. And if you add tomatoes directly, so you have to wait till the tomatoes properly boil, and you can peel out the skin. So smash the tomatoes to cook well, and gives you that color. So you can see the color change. It's happening slowly. So we're gonna cook this for say 10 more minutes now, and then add the ingredient in this. So now the tomatoes have been cooked. So we're gonna add the next ingredient, that is garlic. So we're gonna add ginger, and we're gonna add curd. Well, mix it. Now we can add the chilies and mix well. So we're going to cook this for 5 more minutes now, and then add our other ingredients like kasturi methi and pepper powder, other stuff. So we're going to mix properly. Be careful about the chicken, it comes into pieces, so you need to do it very gently. Now it's cooked, so we're going to add kasturi methi and other spices, masala. We're going to add other stuff and mix it well, and it's ready to cook. So we're going to let this up for say 10 minutes, and then it's ready. Within the perfect aroma. So now it's cooked. We add little water in this, so for taste, because you can dry. So it's optional. If you want dry, you can make it dry, or if you want to add some water, you can add water. And so it's ready now. So let's have a taste. Our peshawari food is ready. So you can eat this with rotis or like with rice, anything you want. Chicken is ready, peshawari chicken. So you're gonna taste this, and please cook at home and give me the feedback. And please comment below and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching to the end. Please do like my video. Cheers. It's yum, really yum. You guys have to try this. Cheers, take care.